1 minute theme park.
Oh no, this is 29.
Disneyland Paris. Here we go. World class theming. Indiana Jones Temple du Peril. Hyperspace Mountain. Star Tours. Parade. Loads of different dark rides including Peter Pan, Pinocchio, A Small World, Buzz Lightyear, Haunted Mansion, and Pirates, my favourite dark ride. A Labyrinth and a few other little kiddie rides. Lots of different food and merch shops. A train that takes you around to all the beautiful sights in the park. And our favourite ride in the park, Big Thunder Mountain. Disneyland Paris, guys, there's a lot more to do. It's obviously awesome, it is Disney, but it is extremely overpriced. For a quarter to half the price, you can go somewhere like Europa Park or Efteling and get the exact same sort of day. See you next time. Follow and subscribe.